Welcome to God's Blessings, the channel where faith, inspiration, and divine guidance converge. Join us on a spiritual journey like no other. God is saying to you today, the next doors opening up will put you in a position where you will never have to borrow, beg, or struggle for anything. You are on the verge of your breakthrough, and your comeback will amaze your enemies. Type 1212 to claim it. You're entering a new season where everything will start to go your way. It's time. You had enough lessons. You did the work. You overcame so much. You believed even when it was hard to, you never gave up. Push through it all now. It's your time to receive my blessings in a major way. Type 1111 if you are ready. He is getting things all lined up. While you couldn't make happen on your own, God is going to cause you to accomplish. It's going to be bigger than you. It's going to happen quicker than you imagined. And it's going to be more rewarding than you ever dreamed of. Your part is to stay in faith. Keep declaring that God is at work. Keep believing that He is turning things around for your good. Remember, this is the year of God's favor, and you are just one shift away from every blessing He has in store for you. Type 1111 if you needed this. I know you have been struggling for a long time, financially, spiritually, and emotionally. You have a good heart, and people have abused you in many ways. The devil has tried to make you lose your mind many times. You have been betrayed in many ways, yet you stand in the midst of your storms. You are still here because I am with you. I will not allow any weapon that is formed against you to prosper. Fear not, I am going to turn things around and bless you in the presence of your enemies. Hold on to your faith. Today, you're going to receive the flow of love, healing, and abundance that you deserve. Like this video, if you believe God, your challenges and problems will be solved in wonderful ways. Your entire family will be blessed, and miracles will appear when you need them. Type 333 if you needed this. If you watch this till end, a big energy shift has happened for you. All the money you spent will come back. Multiplied real love will find you, and your dreams are manifesting. Money is coming your home today. Believe me, you are going to smile within a few hours. If you want to attract huge money effortlessly, starting watching our videos today to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. What you want is already yours. It's already done. Start counting your blessings for it. Start saying thank you for it. Start celebrating it. The universe will bless you with one person that gives you everything you have ever prayed and cried for another people, and it will be beautiful. You deserve and are going to receive an abundance of blessings. Your family is going to be blessed. Your house is gonna be blessed. Your relationships are gonna be blessed. Your health is gonna be blessed. Subscribe our channel if you love God. Today is a new day. Today is a day for you to begin creating a joyous, fulfilling life. Today is the day to begin to release all your limitations. Today is the day for you to learn the secrets of life. You can change your life for the better. You already have the tools within you to do so. OLS, or your thoughts and your beliefs. This is the beginning of a new day. You have been given this day to use as you will. Can waste it or use it for good. What you do today is important because you are exchanging a day of your life for it. When tomorrow comes, this day will be gone forever. In its place is something may you have left behind. Let it be something good. God says to you, forget all these things that worry you, give me everything. Type yes if you're ready. You are going to be telling a different story very soon, a story about how miracles have found you. A success story filled with so much inspiration. You will give so much hope to so many people when they see how much you overcame and still came out on top. Your path is being cleared right now. All blocks are officially removed. It is only from here for you. This is your time to start receiving. Type yes if you needed this. You are going to receive some fantastic news. The universe is making a way for you by currently transforming your situation. You are entering a new time of infinite blessings. Get ready, as now is the time. You are in the perfect position to receive a miracle. Open your heart to receive the positive changes headed your way. Every setback in your life directed you to this divine alignment. Be ready for it. Type yes if you're ready. Trust that the unknown is going to bring the most beautiful blessings into your life. Don't fear. Surrender to the moment and allow life to shower you with everything you need to experience in order to grow and achieve everything that you truly deserve. It is time to put your plan into action. You have done the work leap. You have the tools, talents, and skills necessary to succeed. Now is your time. Go for it and trust that you will win. Believe you are always prepared and have the provisions required to pursue your path and fulfill your purpose. Dreams don't work unless you believe they will. Nothing blocks purposeful actions. Type yes if you needed this. A chapter in your life is coming to an end. Rest assured that beautiful things are ahead in this next chapter. Let go of all things that are out of control and move forward with a thankful heart and abundant thoughts. Type 555 to affirm. Be grateful that life offers second chances, fresh starts, and unlimited opportunities to change course. If you trust the universe, why do you keep doubting your manifestations? Stop being impatient by constantly questioning the timing of what you deserve. Your path is already cleared. Your love is already aligned. Your abundance is already accumulated. Surrender to the process by trusting what one is already done. You type yes if you needed this. 1111. The money is coming. The new home is coming. Financial freedom is coming. Good health is coming. The breakthrough is coming. Love is coming. Type 1111 to affirm. If you are reading this, the universe is manifesting your wishes right now. Are you ready to receive? The universe is going to open doors you never thought would open. That problem that looked permanent is only temporary. Trust that positive changes are coming to you. Trust that everything happened for a reason. Type yes if you agree. If you're seeing this till now, it means that you're about to be blessed with a second chance at life, a second chance to live the life of your dreams. Don't miss out this opportunity. Touch not my anointed. You are God's anointed. When people come against you, they're not just messing with you. Commit your life to Jesus and then strive to commit your problems to Him. Every type 222 to affirm and share this video with 5 people who trust God. Comment Jesus is Lord. Thank you for joining us on this journey of divine inspiration and blessings. We hope these moments of spiritual reflection have touched your heart and soul. Remember, the path to receiving God's blessings is through faith, love, and kindness. May your life be filled with His grace, and may His blessings guide you on your unique and beautiful path.